The lock lever is used to secure your circular saw's depth of cut adjustment and the bevel adjustment. The lever fits over and engages with a special bolt. Over time, the lever's splines can wear, causing it to slip against the bolt. The lever can be bent if the saw is dropped or if something falls on it. Replacing the lever is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut that secures the lock lever to the tool. I'll hold the lever in place as I remove the nut. Now remove the old lever and install the new. And I'll re-secure it with the nut. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up